GPS problems are among the most common issues facing DoorDash drivers today. These location related problems directly impact your earnings and the customer experience. The Dasher app relies heavily on precise location services for multiple critical functions, including order tracking, navigation, delivery confirmation, and providing real time updates to customers. For optimal performance, the Dasher app requires GPS accuracy within 3 to 5 meters. This precision is essential for all location-based features to work correctly. Poor GPS signal strength can cause location inaccuracies and app malfunctions. Strong signal strength is crucial for reliable performance. For Android devices, you need to enable high-accuracy location mode. Go to Settings, then Security and Location. Tap Location, and make sure Use Location is turned on with high accuracy selected. For iPhone users, enable precise location by going to Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services. Find your app and make sure the precise location toggle is turned on. The Dasher app must have always location access to function properly. In your app settings, select Allow all the time and enable Use Precise Location to ensure continuous GPS tracking even when the app runs in the background. When experiencing weak GPS signals, try these solutions. First, move to open areas away from tall buildings that can block satellite signals. Second, restart your device's location services. Third, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh all wireless connections. For app-specific GPS issues, try these solutions in order. Force close and restart the Dasher app, log out and back into your account, update to the latest app version from your app store, and finally, clear the app's cache and data if problems persist. Remember these key points. GPS accuracy within 3 to 5 meters is essential for the Dasher app. Enable high accuracy mode on Android or precise location on iOS. Always set the Dasher app to allow location access all the time. Try signal-related fixes before moving to app-specific troubleshooting steps. When basic GPS fixes don't work, advanced network optimization can resolve persistent location issues. Start by testing your connection strength and switching between cellular and Wi-Fi networks. Device-level solutions address deeper system issues. Restarting your device refreshes all location services, while operating system updates can fix GPS bugs and improve accuracy. Complete app reinstallation can resolve persistent GPS issues by clearing corrupted data and resetting all permissions. This process requires careful attention to permission reconfiguration. Before starting your Dash, follow this optimization checklist to prevent GPS issues. Verify all location services are properly configured and test GPS functionality with a reliable Maps application. During your Dash, maintain optimal GPS performance by keeping the app in the foreground and avoiding areas with known signal interference. Monitor your location accuracy continuously. If GPS problems persist after trying all troubleshooting steps, contact DoorDash support immediately. Document your issues thoroughly for potential earnings adjustments and faster resolution.